Hello, my name is Vuyi Zondi, founder of Corium Skincare. I'm going to be chatting with Gcotyelwa on all things to do with arts, business, and entrepreneurship.
Hi, I'm Gcotyelwa. I'm from the Bag Factory. I'm a programs manager. I'm here to meet Vuyi and I'm looking forward to our conversation. Hi.
How are you doing?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Lovely to meet. My name is Vuyi.
Gcotyelwa.
Lovely to
meet you. Yeah.
So I founded a natural skincare brand called Corium. And truly the business was founded from a hobby. So it was a passion-inspired business, started making body butters on the stovetop, and then grew interest over social media until really we commercialized the business. So I think that's the journey that then puts me in front of you today.
Yeah. So I'm a curator. I studied fine art, basically. That's where you start. I worked at the museum, which was opened in 2017 in Zuid in Cape Town, and that's when I suppose my career as a curator was launched. And now I'm here at the Bag Factory as their programs manager.
Should we start?
Yeah, for sure.
G before V.
Okay. What do you think you were born with? The thing that makes you different?
Such a soul-searching type of question.
Yeah.
One of the things that I think I was born with that perhaps could make me stand apart is my energy in the way that I am around people. So I think that's one thing that I'm actually quite proud of, the way that I'm able to just socially integrate and the energy that I'm able to bring when I'm around people.
Yeah.
So that's my superpower. I like people. So this one is directly for you. I feel like this question was made for you. What's your advice to younger artists?
I feel like I'm not there yet. Persistence, perseverance, and what they're doing is just not physical, it's not just pragmatic, but it's also emotional, it's also about healing, it's also about nurturing, What does being young mean to you?
I think being young means almost to be pure enough to dream. I don't know if that makes sense. I think when you're young, you're a little bit crazy, right? So you're pure enough to dream because the world hasn't distorted you yet. It hasn't corrupted you. You believe very much in the value of your dreams and the value of what you have to add to the world. So I think that's what being young means. What does success mean to you?
When I'm able to do everything that is on my wish list as a curator, then I will say I'm successful. But I know even if I reach that point, there will still be something more to do, right? But it's just going to bed knowing that you've made a difference. You've impacted somebody's life. For me, it's about the next generation. So if they could at least not even face some of the challenges that I'm facing currently, that would be success, I suppose, for me, yeah.
That's beautiful.
And I don't think it's a destination for me, right? It's like, it's the process.
What role do you think that the youth play today?
It's a powerful one. I think the youth right now, we're all activists. But unfortunately, there hasn't been anyone listening. And I'm talking again from within the context of the arts, right? How it's sort of like pushed to the margins with the underdogs, basically. The society has not yet willing to listen and accept and trust us that we actually have the ability to make something positive or even to change the world,
Whew, this is a heavy question. I feel like Oprah asking you this is so heavy. Okay, so what giants have you faced in your life?
Oh, so many. God. Finances as a student. Also just because I'm black, right? And I'm a woman. I could go into details, but I think just naming them, they speak louder, yeah.
I'm so grateful for the opportunity to have had the conversation because I think we're all different, but we're the same. We're all different, but we're facing the same challenges. And I think for me, that's the greatest takeaway. And the biggest value. You've opened my mind to so much, so I'm really grateful for the chat and for meeting you.
Yeah, me too. It was really, really lovely. Just talking and understanding your world as well, and yeah, thank you.